welcome back to the Happy Way Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really simple 4-ingredient green smoothie. So what I'm going to be using is the Happy Way's Greens Tropical Powder, some frozen pineapple, however you could use fresh if you like, some frozen banana, and I'm going to be using coconut milk for a tropical touch. However, you could use almond, soy, or whichever plant-based milk of your choice. So I'm simply going to be throwing everything into the blender, blending it till nice and creamy and smooth, and it'll be ready to serve.